Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we are at Islands of Adventure. We're going to head inside and let's see what's going on over here for Christmas time. And let's just see what's going on at Islands of Adventure here at Universal. We haven't been here in a while, so let's go check it out. And happy holidays to you from Medling World. Here we are. Already can see some nice decorations up. Please don't forget, it's Christmas all year here at the Port of Entry Christmas Shop at Island of Adventure. See? All year you can go in there and get your Christmas decorations. Again, right here, Port of Entry Christmas. And Christmas never ends. So we're over here at the Harry Potter area, Hogsmeade, here on the Island of Adventure. Take a look, guys. I already see some garland outlining the entrance here, right? And I have heard that they have warm butterbeer. Let's go see about that, depending on the line. Anyway, definitely some nice Christmas decorations. And what's cool here is the snow is always here all year round. So with the Christmas decorations, it does look very festive, doesn't it? Pretty neat. We're gonna find out about the warm butterbeer right now. So the hot butterbeer, guys, is inside 3 broomsticks. Roberta's gonna go inside and grab us some, and we will definitely try it. So behind me on this stage, there's supposed to be some kind of, it's called the Frog Choir. I guess it's a Christmas sing-along or some carols. I'm here, I'm gonna find out what it's all about. I'm waiting on Roberta to bring over that warm butterbeer so we can try that while we watch this cool show. So as soon as they come out, I'll let you see what it's all about. Wow, look at that. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. So Roberta has returned with a warm butterbeer. And she did mention to me, when you go into the 3 broomsticks, you do have to wait in the regular queue, even just to get the drink. So
yeah, it's the same queue for the
same queue as
food.
if you're ordering all the food. So
yeah.
What do you say we try it? Let's just roll it. And Roberta, can I try it? Do you mind? Yeah. Why don't you do the honors of hold that camera? Let's try the warm butterbeer. Remember, butterbeer is non-alcoholic. Good for everybody. I think I'm just gonna keep this for myself, Roberta.
I don't think so.
Oh, it's good. One more sip.
I don't think so.
Guys, oh my gosh, this is good. If you're coming for the holiday season, I don't know if they're gonna continue this or not, but you've got to get yourself some warm butterbeer. It is out of this world, man. Oh, there's a little squirrel. I don't know if you guys can see his little head. Look, he found a little acorn or something on the ground. There he goes. Jake's gonna try. Jake, let us know what you think.
It's like hot chocolate, honestly.
Yeah?
It's like hot chocolate, but with a buttery flavor.
Yeah, it's good, huh?
There you have it. Jake told you. That's good. I'm glad that you mentioned, because I didn't even give my opinion what it tastes like. It's very sweet, so it is really sweet, but it's like a butter. It tastes like a regular, like a vanilla with a butterscotch, but nice and warm. Really good.
Yeah.
What do you think, Roberta? Would you agree with that?
Yes, I do actually. It's
Roberta
good.
actually agrees with me, guys. That's good, huh? No, we agree a lot. Just joking. Let's see what's gonna go on with this Frog Choir. We'll be right back with it.
Our final song is one I'm sure many of you will recognize. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some piggy pudding. Now bring us some piggy pudding. Now bring us some piggy pudding. Tell it right here. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. beer.
So that was pretty neat. The frog choir, those frogs are pretty neat, and the performance was nice. Nice job by all those cast members here, or actually here at Universal team members. That was pretty neat. Later on tonight, guys, this castle here should be lit up for Christmas, so I will definitely come back to this section later on when it's dark and show you what it looks like. And guys, we're getting ready to enter Seuss Landing. Let's check it out. Just as you're walking in, you can see already Merry Merry Seuss Landing, all decorated all around. Very nice. Let's get inside and see some more. So there's also this cool show here at Universal. You guys can see that sign. Grinchmas Whoville Spectacular. Show times are right here if you're planning on coming. We're actually going to try to hit that 6:30 one. I'm going to take you through Whoville here in a few more minutes. I wanted to get a little darker so that you can see the decorations a little more. Rather than the sun. As you can see, the sun is still up. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes. We'll take a walk through Whoville. I'll show you guys the decorations, and then we'll try to get in and check out the show, the Grinch show. You know you're in Whoville. Those are some tall Who's right there, I'll tell you that. Look at these guys up there. So here we are. I came around the other side of Seuss Landing. Waited for it to get a little darker, but I don't want it to be totally dark because the camera won't work great, right? So check it out. There's some of the lights here all lit up as you're entering Seuss Landing. It's Grinchmas. I like that sign right there. Another awesome light on that tree there. Look at the sunset in the back. That is really cool. So these lights here are really awesome, man. I remember last year that I really liked coming through Seuss Landing. They had really nice decorations. There is a carousel. It's been shut down for several weeks. I think they're refurbishing it, is all they're doing. I don't think that they're taking it down or anything like that. But some more of these cool lights here. And just looking through, you can see the different lights. Pretty neat. And if you are coming, they do have a Grinch photo experience. He's done for the day. He stops at 4 o'clock, so we did miss that. This place is cool. The candy cookers, snookers, and snookers. Sweet candy cookers. If you like candy apples, you came to the right place. Look at these. Look at the chocolate chip candy apples. Oh, wow. Awesome, guys. And then they have the thing 1 and thing 2. All different kinds. Oh, I like that M&M one. I'm allergic to apples, by the way, but that one looks really good with the M&Ms. But I definitely could have something on this side. So all awesome snacks in here. Oh, and there's more cookies and fudge. Look at all the different fudge. Cappuccino fudge. Wow, that looks good. Candy corn. It's either you love it or you don't like it, right? Isn't that what it comes down to? I do like them. I'm trying to see anything that's standing. That one looks pretty good. Raspberry chocolate swirl. Chocolate caramel salt. That one I think is delicious. Guys, I'm telling you right now, ice cream, and more ice cream. I mean, there are so many snacks here in Seuss Landing. Take a look at this. Here's some, looks like some Christmas Grinch hot chocolate bomb. Wow, Grinch green sugar cookies. ice cream sandwiches, and a holiday punch. What? Pretty cool, man. Before I go on a Grinch show, I just gotta show you guys this awesome sunset over here. There goes a Velocicoaster. Look at how awesome that looks. Isn't that awesome, man? It's like 6 on the dot right now. That is really, really beautiful, man. And then, so is that actually. And we are now heading in to, let's see what that sign says. The Grinchmas Holiday Spectacular, all lit up like that. That's pretty nice, huh? What do you guys think? I have no idea what this is about. Let's go check it out. So everybody's coming out, so the show is about 30 minutes because it's just after 6. And we're making our way in, and it looks like, where the heck are we going, everybody? We're heading in the back of the Hard Rock? Is that where we're going? Huh, let's see what happens. Well, we just had somebody here on their scooter wipe out the whole queue. Anyway, it's a Hard Rock to the right, so I'm not exactly sure what this Whoville Spectacular Grinchmas is. Let's check it out as we go in, guys. It's like some Christmas theming here.
It's really organized, and this does not seem to be organized.
Roberta said it, not me, guys.
They're very organized in there. Let's see how it goes.
Just kind of walking through here. It's pretty cool theme here.
Yeah, it is. It is neat, though.
So neat. So I guess we are behind door number 2. So guys, this is pretty cool. It's kind of like theater style seating. You can see up here the stage. Check it out. If you're enjoying the vlog today, please take 1 minute. Like, subscribe to Medling World. Your support means a lot to us. It helps us move up the queue when you put in your search for your theme park fun and all your travel destinations.
When he came to the first house in the square, they say, "Stop, number 1." The old Grinchy claws hissed, and he climbed to the roof, empty bags in his fists.
The roof?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't think so. What's next?
Then he slid down the chimney a rather tight hinge.
No! Skip ahead!
But if Santa could do it, then so could the Grinch.
Oh! I'm sorry. But if Santa could do it, then so could the Grinch. This is ridiculous.
Then he slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant.
Now that I can do.
Around the whole room, and he took every present. He took their singing bowls, tremblers, and puzzles. He took their pantuflers, dazzlers, and wuzzles. He cleaned out that icebox as quick as a flash. Why, that Grinch even took their last can of Blue Hash.
Oh, go straight to the hips, but I've been good.
Then he stuffed all the presents up the chimney with glee.
And now,
Grinned the Grinch.
I'll stuff up the tree.
So the Grinch grabbed the tree and he started to shove. When he heard the small sound like the coo of a dove, he turned around fast and saw a small who, little Cindy Lou Who.
Sandy Claus! Why are you taking our Christmas tree?
Awkward.
But you know that old Grinch was so smart and so slick? He thought up a lie and he thought it up quick.
Why, my sweet little tot.
The fake Santa Claus lied.
Okay, you're not helping. Why, there's a light on this tree. That won't light on one side. So I'm taking it To my workshop, my dear. I'll fix it up there, and I'll bring it back here. I'm rhyming again, help me.
Santa Claus?
What?
Don't forget about the Grinch.
The Grinch?
I know he hates Christmas and he's green with bad breath and smelly feet with shoes that are 2 sizes too small.
Ow.
But just because he's different, that doesn't mean he shouldn't get a present on Christmas. Good night.
Cute kid. Bad judge of character!
You're a high one, Mr. Grinch.
I know it's a little dark here, guys, but wow, that was awesome, man. The Grinchmas down in Whoville.
Yeah, it was cool, huh?
Oh, it was awesome, man.
Yeah.
We really liked it, Roberta.
I think it was really neat. I think
Jay?
It was really cool.
you like
we all really liked it. I thought it
Yes.
was really cool. Great performance.
Oh,
It was live. They were singing live. There was no lip syncing in there.
No.
So really
And,
good. So guys, I think you can kind of see that castle right now. Looks like a little snow projections on it, but it's gonna light up in a minute, and I'm gonna show it to you. In vlog time, that'll be 2 seconds. Thank you everybody for watching Medling World tonight. I appreciate your support for our channel. Roberta, yeah, she's on the side of me right here. She's taking some pictures. If you guys could just take a moment, if you're enjoying our vlogs, please like and subscribe to Medling World. Awesome time, Universal Island of Adventures for the Christmas holiday season. And guys, look at these snowflakes. Aren't they awesome? Guess what? See ya!